In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a discount on Airbnb 2026. Step by step. Let's jump right in with a simple approach you can use on any listing. Start by opening the Airbnb listing you're interested in. Once the page loads, scroll to the price section. On desktop, this is usually the booking box on the right side. On mobile, you'll see it just below the photos and details. Make sure your dates and guest count are entered because the platform only shows accurate pricing and any applicable savings when it knows your stay length. Now look closely at the price breakdown. This is where discounts automatically appear as separate line items, so you don't need coupon codes or special links. First, check for weekly discounts, which apply when your stay is 7 nights or more. If you're near that threshold, try adjusting your dates to hit a full 7 nights. You'll often see a clear weekly discount line reduce the subtotal, and for many hosts, that reduction can be in the range of 10 to 30%, depending on the property and season. Next, look for monthly discounts. These typically kick in at 28 nights or longer. If you're considering an extended trip or working remotely, this is where you can unlock the largest automatic savings. Change your dates to at least 28 nights and watch for a monthly discount line to appear. The total nightly rate often drops significantly, making longer stays far more cost-effective. While you're reviewing the price section, also check for early bird discounts. These apply when you book well in advance. The exact window varies by host, sometimes a month, sometimes several months ahead, but the key is to put in future dates far enough out and see if an early bird discount shows in the breakdown. If it appears, you've captured a lower rate simply by planning ahead. Finally, look for last-minute deals. These appear when you're booking close to the check-in date. Enter dates in the next few days or the coming week and scan the price details for a last-minute discount. It's a great way to save if your plans are flexible, though availability can be tighter. Always review the cancellation policy so the savings match your comfort level. To recap as you scroll the price section, verify weekly and monthly discounts by testing 7 or 28 nights, look ahead for early bird savings, and check near-term dates for last-minute deals. Many hosts automatically offer 10 to 30% off for longer stays, and you'll see those savings itemized right in the price breakdown. Try a few date combinations, confirm the total, and lock in the best value for your trip.